Hello, I'm Jerome Bruno, UO15 CS 199. Today I'm going to create a web page using timer functions and objects. And here's my program for that. First of all, what I'm going to do in here is I'm going to create a web page using index.html. In that I'm going to display three options: quiz, basketball, and then library. In that three, user can choose any one. For creating that index.html, we are going to see here. As usual, I'm creating HTML head tag, in the title experiment 6 and char set meta, which is viewpoint, everything. And then I'm going to open a style tag, in the body background color pink, and table position relative drop 260, height 100%. In the dot my table with color background family font size, everything will be displayed over here, displayed decorated, and inside tr, that is row, height 80 px, background color why we are creating this table. Inside the table only, within 3 rows I'm going to give the option, and then the option, what option means that library, football, basketball, and quiz, the 3 options. And then a text color decoration, color yellow, none, word decorations will be given over here. See, moving ball, quiz, and library books. These 3 options will be going over here. This is for quiz.html. When the user chooses quiz, the quiz.html function will be running. For that quiz.html function, here I am going to open the HTML head code, supply everything. Here body background color equal to green, field set position related to top, background opacity, everything is decided. And then opening style tag, head, body, head set tag is also one body tag in the form field set. Here I am going to create a quiz application form. In here enter your name, and that will be type equal to text, placeholder, enter your name, the id name equal to name, and then everything will be displayed. This is using text box, and here there is the start button to start the test, and again the start button will be displayed. For these 3 things, after hitting the start button, it will be going into the Q.html thing, that is called Q.html. The link, in this link there will be questions, everything will be there. See, for that name equal to Q1 checked, questions. For every question I have given 20 marks scores, and at last the questions will be the scores will be added and resulted as whatever the thing. Here I have given the options using input type equal to radio, value 1, value 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 options. I have given the options for the questions which I have asked here, question and options. Result grade using id equal to result, using id equal to r, and href using call me mail being for href. Here also we are giving the background color, field set, everything unusual. And again, so the quiz option will be going on to quiz.html and q.html. And again, for bball.html, moving ball, when the user chooses the moving ball, it will be going to the bball.html. In here we are using the timer starting in the moving object. So moving image, in here we are also giving the head tag, again the closing head tag and bot tag. The bot tag onload equal to image, style, background color, and word smoke we are given here. Then set interval display 1000. Here function display interval will be 1000, and var d equal to new date, d dot get hours, d dot get minutes, d dot get seconds. It will be going here. And here we will be giving the start, stop, reset text boxes, and the user from the start button image will start moving, the stop button will start moving. When using user reset, the image will be back to the normal state. And here function image, function test, function start, for test function, for start function, for stop function, whatever the things we are given, we are giving over here. Thank you. And for library HTML, here we are. Library book, it will be going to, when the user chooses library books, it will be going to library HTML. In this function, we are given a library center script, Java text JavaScript, using JavaScript. In this title, this title go to TYPU, publication author AU. In here display, we are displaying title author, and for where I equal to 1, I less than or equal to book 1 equal dot length I plus plus. Here document right. Here you are displaying what are the books over there under author and year. And again here we are describing the same thing for I equal to 1 is equal to 1, I less than or greater equal to book 1 dot length I plus plus. Then document center plus book document right I dot title plus heading will be there. And then here we are giving the book which are 1980 thing, the book which are published after 1980. For that we are giving 3 options: the book which are available, the book which are published after 1980, the book which are published before 1980. In these 3 options will be displayed over there, and the user chooses any one of the options. The coding given below will activate and it will show. And here's my output now. See, I'm choosing quiz, I'm entering name, and I'm starting the test, and it will go to q.html as I told earlier. And here I am choosing where I'm the President of India. I'm putting and I'm completing. My grades are 60. See, my grade is C. This is for quiz. And for moving ball, I'm choosing ball, it's into B ball HTML. And here I'm giving start, and the ball image is moving, and stop, image is stopped, and reset, the ball came to back where it was. And for library books, I'm giving display. Now the books are whatever things are displayed, and library books I'm giving after which was in 1980, and so displayed after which was in 1950. And for library books I'm using before 1980 books are displayed. Now this is my output. Thank you.